sklearn. Metrics. Top K accuracy score. Description. The Top K accuracy score metric calculates the accuracy of a classifier's predictions based on the top K most likely classes. It measures how often the correct class is among the K most likely classes predicted by the model. Inputs. Y true. The true labels of the data samples. Typically a 1D array of integers or strings representing the correct classes. YPRED. The predicted probabilities or class labels from the classifier. In the same format as Y true. Outputs. Top K accuracy. The accuracy score calculated based on the top K predictions. Steps. The Top K accuracy score function first identifies the top K most likely classes predicted for each sample. It then compares the true labels Y true with the predicted top K classes for each sample. The accuracy is calculated as the proportion of samples where the true label is among K predicted top K classes. Metrics. Accuracy. The main metric calculated is the top K accuracy, representing the proportion of samples where the true label is within the top K predicted classes. Visualization plots. Confusion matrix. A confusion matrix can visualize the accuracy of the top K predictions by showing the distribution of true and predicted classes. Fine-tune parameters. K. The number of top predictions to consider for accuracy calculation. Increasing K can potentially increase accuracy, but may also result in overfitting. Uncertainty methods. Confidence intervals. Confidence intervals can be calculated for the top K accuracy score to estimate the range of possible values within a certain level of confidence. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. Imbalanced class distribution. If the dataset has a significantly imbalanced class distribution, the top K accuracy score may be misleading. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1. A dataset with 90 samples belonging to class A and 10 to class B. A classifier that always predicts class A might achieve a high top K accuracy, even if it fails to correctly identify class B. Fixes to challenge 1. Use appropriate evaluation metrics like F1 score or recall to account for class imbalance. Oversample the minority class or undersample the majority class to balance the dataset. Challenge 2. Choice of K. Choosing the right value for K is crucial for meaningful results. A small K might underestimate accuracy, while a large K might overestimate it. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2. Choosing a K that is too small might result in missing accurate predictions, while choosing a K that is too large might include inaccurate predictions, leading to a less informative score. Fixes to challenge 2. Experiment with different values of K to determine the optimal one for the specific task and dataset. Consider using cross-validation to evaluate the performance of the model for different values of K.